Cadrée Perchée House is an architectural masterpiece that blends seamlessly with nature, designed by Empreinte Design Architecture. Located in Morin-Heights, Canada, this house offers a living experience in constant interaction with its surroundings, providing natural lighting and framed views of the wild landscape. Nestled within a maple forest on the mountains bordering Lac Franc, this 2,100 square foot residence is the private home of Pier-Olivier Lepage, founder of Empreinte Design Architecture. The primary vision behind this design is to harness nature's vital energy daily, creating a calming and inspiring atmosphere for its inhabitants. One of the main elements of the house is its large glass windows that extend the panorama in all directions. With a design that appears to float over the mountain slope, the house seemingly elevates its occupants to the treetops. Additionally, the predominant use of wood for both interior and exterior elements reinforces the strong connection between the structure and its natural surroundings. To support the concept of transparency and openness, the interior design offers innovative solutions. A sunken sofa area creates a comfortable seating space while maintaining unobstructed views. The kitchen is designed with a low-profile minimalist aesthetic, while storage units are consolidated into circulation islands that maximize space efficiency. The house's position on the slope provides a varied experience of the forest views. At times, inhabitants may feel like kings of the forest with a vast view of the treetops, while at other times, the larger scale of the environment offers a humbling perspective. With an east-west orientation, the house allows its residents to perfectly enjoy sunrises and sunsets. One of the key design challenges was optimizing natural light without causing excessive heat. The house's shape, inspired by a radiator, helps diffuse warmth and light evenly. Wooden elements on the facade absorb and reflect light, creating a natural warmth that envelopes the entire space. Despite its limited area, the house remains highly functional and comfortable. The living room, inspired by the Japanese kotatsu concept, allows families and guests to gather comfortably around the fireplace. Meanwhile, the bedroom is designed as a private retreat that also functions as a workspace and relaxation zone. Featuring a bed, a built-in desk, and a bathtub facing a large glass wall, this space enables residents to enjoy nature's tranquility without leaving the room. Two alcove-designed terraces at the front and back of the house provide additional outdoor living spaces. During the summer months, the house remains cool thanks to natural ventilation and strategic solar control. Moreover, various design elements, such as the seamless continuity of wooden ceilings and walls, refined glass mullions, and white floors blending into the snow, further blur the boundaries between indoors and outdoors. With an aesthetic that harmonizes natural beauty and innovative design solutions, Cadrée Perchée House proves that architecture can have a positive impact on the mental and emotional well-being of its inhabitants. This house is not just a place to live, it is a space to experience nature's energy firsthand and cultivate a balanced, fulfilling lifestyle.